Welcome to this journey of self-discovery and inner reflection. In the next 10 minutes, I will guide you into a deep state of insightful relaxation. As you dive deep into relaxation, you will envision a special mirror in which there will be a healing and transformative reflection of what you need to see the most today at this point in your life. A solution to a problem, a unique insight, or a reflection, a visual representation of a belief you need to have in order to uplift and recharge your life. Your unconscious mind will guide you. Let's begin. Make sure you are sitting or lying down comfortably. Your eyes are closed now. Take a very deep breath in and out. As you listen to the sound of my voice and follow these simple, relaxing suggestions now, you may allow yourself to dive deep into a light state of trance, soothing you all throughout. In a moment, you may begin to count from 20 and down inside of your own mind or out loud, it's up to you, and say the words and deeper relaxed after each number. Go ahead, imagine number 20 now and repeat after me. 20, deeper relaxed. 19, deeper relaxed. 18, deeper relaxed. 17, deeper relaxed. Keep hearing your voice as you count slowly. I will continue to speak in the background. Together, you count the numbers, hear your voice, deeper relaxed, and absorb positive suggestions in the background. Counting backwards, relaxing, listening. Your mind is opening, your body relaxing, whatever the number, hearing the voice and drifting more and more relaxed. Now diving into relaxation further down, deeper relaxed all the way. All sounds fade, all thoughts dissipate. Soon you will sink into the silence from within, as if a deep ocean of calmness existed in you, moving so gently and naturally without any effort, and each breath you take is like a wave in, and each breath is like a wave out. Feel the waves of your breath coming in and out, breath in, breath out, soothing and relaxing you, sinking in, hearing your voice into a complete silence within you, so quiet, so relaxed, quiet, relaxed, no thoughts, no images, just a quiet relaxation. Your imagination is guiding you into a special place of personal discovery and insight. Deeper relaxed all the way. Numbers gone, gone, gone. Nothing to count now. Let them go. They're gone. silence, quiet. Now, imagine yourself in a beautiful room. Pick a place of your choice, a castle, a palace, or a hut, or a cabin, or simply a beautiful garden. All up to you. Let it unfold all before you now. In that place of yours, there is a mirror further away. Just know it's there. Imagine what it looks like. It's large, perhaps the size of your body or so. You can see it in the distance. In just a few short moments, when you get close to it, you may look at it and it will show you something wonderful. A reflection of you having accomplished something, a dream come true, or a goal, or having resolved something like a problem, a puzzle, or a life's obstacle, or maybe it will show you what you need to believe in. You don't need to know what this is right now. It will show you what you need to believe in, what you need to know about yourself or life in order to grow, to improve, to become a better, upgraded version of you. You may be thinking or imagining it already as I speak. Let go of everything from the mind. Just be quiet for a moment. Nothing to think about. Your mind will show you as soon as you look into the mirror. Get closer. 1, 2, closer, 3, 4, 5. You're standing right next to it, looking into the mirror. See what you see. Take your time. An image, a reflection of something you need to know and believe. It may be you or a scene from your life, from the future, or anything you need to believe the most now to be better, healthier, confident, or happier person. Whatever you need, it's there. Take it all in. What you need to believe in. See it now. Take a moment to fully absorb what the mirror reveals to you. Feel the emotions that arise, the peace, the joy, the connection, relief. Now take a moment and remain in silence for a minute. Let everything slowly disappear from your sight. Nothing to see, nothing in the mind, just the warm feeling from what you just saw in that mirror. A feeling enveloping you in its embrace. Feeling safe, secure, supported, guided. Enjoy the support from within. Inhale, exhale, take it all in, feeling good. Inhale like an ocean wave. Exhale like a calming ocean wave. In and out, feeling good. As you allow yourself to begin to return from this journey, I count from 1 to 5, feeling refreshed in just a moment, and carrying with you the beliefs and feelings you have discovered. 1, slowly becoming aware of your surroundings. 2, feeling energy returning to your body. 3, moving your fingers and toes. 4, taking a deep, refreshing breath. And 5, open your eyes, fully awake, feeling positive and empowered.